How would you react to a world without crime, hunger, taxation, or poverty, war, or any of the other problems that plague our present-day society? Is such a world possible in our time? Yes, this is not a utopian dream. There's an experimental research center underway in Venus, Florida, a working model which demonstrates the feasibility of applying the methods of science and technology to improve living standards, improve housing quality, and improve the surrounding environment as a whole, thereby enhancing the lives of all people. Let's talk about the city of the future. Life for people will be exciting and pleasurable. The cities will be a wonderful place to live. There will be music centers, art and craft centers, theaters, and all manner of creative facilities where innovation and participation will be encouraged. The cities will be circular in design, and maintenance will be totally computerized and automated by Corsan, located at its central core. Corsan, or the Coordination Center, will maintain and control the flow of energy and monitor the oceans and atmosphere, control environmental cleanliness, production and distribution of goods and services. It'll contain the greatest array of knowledge ever accumulated, which anyone can access. Surrounding Corsan will be the University Medical Center, displays of merchandise and entertainment centers, which will be available to everyone. If you need medical care, a small device worn at all times will instantly provide a complete medical record. If surgery is needed, it can be performed by the best surgeons by means of telesurgery, even if the patient is halfway around the world. The center of the city will be surrounded by glass-enclosed cylindrical towers used for apartment living. The glass automatically darkens with intense light. Each apartment will be fully equipped with a unit combining the latest in television, computers, music systems, and fax into just one interconnected system. The next ring will contain individual houses. These homes and the cylindrical apartment towers will be immersed in beautiful lush gardens with all kinds of recreational areas. The houses will be mostly free-form design and will be made of new materials, such as foam concrete combined with plastic and metallic foils, over a structural web, which will minimize structural failures in case of earthquakes, hurricanes, or tornadoes. The structures automatically cool or heat internally in relation to the external temperature. Can you imagine stepping into a bathroom with a shower that spirally pulsates the water around your body, but uses very little water? Instead of towels, warm sheets of air then dry you off quickly. Food can be prepared automatically by verbal command. Surrounding the residential district will be an agricultural belt. There will be an area within this belt where the inhabitants can experiment on their own with growing plants and foods. No toxic materials or insecticides will be used. Electronic methods will be substituted. Automobiles will be electrical and serviced automatically. An inner lining surrounding the passengers will act as an airbag. Cars will be equipped with guidance monitors to prevent collision. Within the city, multi-step conveyors and elevators will enable people to travel about the city, with monorails for city-to-city travel. For longer distances, people may choose to enjoy travel by magnetically levitated trains, with passenger compartments that can be lowered or lifted off the train while in motion. The aircraft will be of delta configuration, with no elevators, ailerons, rudders, or flaps. Instead, they would utilize electrodynamic means by discharging electrons. Using this method, in front of the aircraft eliminates sonic boom. Helicopters will have blades which whirl about the stationary center. If a cruise with your friends is what you prefer, imagine a marine center that will provide the craft of your choice. Titanium-clad, maintenance-free seacraft will be monitored by satellite in the event of emergency, and portions of the upper deck can be retracted instantly in unpleasant weather. An approach to limit current flood and drought crisis will be found in crisscrossing canals and waterways, which are designed to provide flood control, irrigation, and movements of bulk freight. A journey to the undersea cities would be fascinating. Here are the real seaquariums of the future. These undersea apartments are provided with windows to the sea with an electronic console which can bring marine life into the vicinity. When one wants to go undersea exploring, all that is needed is a mask that lets you breathe freely without tanks. The future will eliminate the need for fossil fuels by the use of advanced photovoltaic systems, harnessing the tides, volcanic power, and eventually tapping the atmospheric electricity. Another innovating idea is to utilize the polar regions, which can be used to store grain and food in case of an emergency. The most certain thing about the future is that it is coming. We extend an invitation for you to join us at the Research Center in Venus, Florida, for this unique project of environmental reclamation.